children. Today we have to study about quadrilateral. So first of all, we have to know about quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? So a polygon. First of all, you have to know about quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral a polygon having four sides is said to be quadrilateral. Is said to be quadrilateral. Okay. As P, Q, R, S. Okay. So here PQRS also a quadrilateral having four sides PQ, QS, SR and PR. Okay. So having four sides, this is a quadrilateral. So you can say or you can define that a polygon having four sides is said to be a quadrilateral. Or also in your book this is given that a polygon with four sides is called a quadrilateral, or a simple closed figure bounded by four line segments is called a quadrilateral. The adjoining quadrilateral ABCD has four vertices, that is A, B, C and D. Okay. So here you can say also that here four vertices also included in this polygon P, Q, S and R. Okay, or P, Q, R, S. So vertices, four vertices P, Q, R and S. Here in this polygon has four vertices P, Q, R and S. Okay. And also here four sides given that sides. So it has four sides. It has four sides PQ, QS, SR and PR. Okay. PQ, PR, RS, SQ. Okay, it has also four sides PQ, QR, RS and SQ. Four angles also given that angle P, angle Q, angle S, angle R. And two diagonals here. If we draw this type of, so this is called diagonal. Here diagonal PS and here QR. Okay. So these two are called diagonals, and also the diagonals of the quadrilateral intersect any point that named O. Okay. So here two diagonals PS and QR. Diagonals PS and QR also here given there. Okay. So you know some about quadrilaterals. Now again here given that exterior and interior of a quadrilateral. Suppose that a quadrilateral given that, then also here point P, Q, R and S, that the vertices of the quadrilateral. So if some points which are inside of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So these some points are called interior of the quadrilateral, and if some points outside of the quadrilateral, that is L, M, N and H. So these S, M, L and N, all these points are called the exterior of the quadrilateral. Okay. So interior of the quadrilateral, the part of the plane lying inside the boundary of the quadrilateral are the interior of the quadrilateral. In the figure, PQ and R lie in the interior of the quadrilateral ABCD, and also exterior of the quadrilateral. So the points lying outside of the quadrilateral, that is called exterior of the quadrilateral. Boundary of the quadrilateral ABCD itself is the boundary of the quadrilateral. In the figure, point E lies on the boundary of the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral ABCD. Now again we have given that opposite sides, adjacent and adjacent angles. So you can do also this. Types of quadrilateral given that. How many types of quadrilateral? So first of all you have to also know types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. How many types of quadrilaterals? First type, there are two types of quadrilateral. There are two types of quadrilaterals. As first, convex quadrilateral. And second given that concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Okay. What is convex quadrilateral? So first of all we define convex quadrilateral. What is convex quadrilateral? You have to write it also. A quadrilateral in which the measure of each angle, in which the measure of each angle is less than 180 degree, is called as convex quadrilateral. Is called the convex quadrilateral. Okay. Again here also given that ABCD is a convex quadrilateral, and you have to also draw the figure and you have to write it, this definition, and you have to learn this definition. Again given that second type of quadrilateral, that is known as concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. So what is concave quadrilaterals? What are quadrilaterals? You know about quadrilaterals that there are two types: convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral. What is convex quadrilateral? You also know that a quadrilateral in which the measure of each angle is less than 180 degree, that is called convex quadrilateral. What is concave quadrilateral? A quadrilateral in which the measure a quadrilateral in which the measure of any one of the angles of any one of the angles is more than 180 degree, that is called concave quadrilateral. It's called concave quadrilateral. Okay. So we have to also draw the figure of concave quadrilateral. Here you can see in your book also given that this type of figure, as this type of figure given that, in which here given that an angle that named C, and this angle C is also greater than 180 degree. This namely A, D, B. So here ABCD is a concave quadrilateral, and the angle C is also greater than 180 degree. Okay, so this angle C is also greater than 180 degree. So this is called concave quadrilateral. And you have to know also, you have to learn this definition. A quadrilateral in which the measure of any one of the angles is more than 180 degree, that is called concave quadrilateral. Okay, again here also given that circle. What is circle? Circle is a set of all those points. Circle is a set of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point is constant, remains constant. Okay, here you can see this circle. Here this is our center, and the many points lies on the circumference of the circle, and these points also such a fixed distance from a fixed distance point, okay, remains constant, and then you O, this circle, all the points lies at a fixed distance of this circle. Okay, so this is a circle. Here also center is O, and this is a radius. The line segment from the circumference at the center, that is called the radius of the given that it is a line segment joining the center to any point on the circle in the figure. O is the center of the circle. So here O is the center of the circle. If this point A, then OA, here OE, A is radius. Okay. And if we also draw here from B, then from here AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so AB is the diameter of the circle. Now here given that arc and exterior and interior circles, so you have to also read this. And now time is over. We stop our writing. Again next day we also start our exercise 9.4. Thank you children.